Safisha ushinde. Open and save in your KCB Gold Savings account for a chance to win many prizes. KCB, for people, for better.
Agotin chitab Kalenjin eng tugul ole imite itagat eng logoiwekab emet kong'ete Kass TV. Kainenyu ko Chesankaro Sirma ak kabarastaindet nekimite tuwai eng oretab kabarunet ko Naomi Cherotich. Kibendi ketaune logoiwekchok ole kakitechi sipitalisiek koistoegei atepto neyochei rabisiek biik chotok chemakchingei konyoiset eng sipitalisiek. Eng konyoiset nematinye kamuget nebo tuguk chotok chekinyoise anan mashinishek ak ichek kora cheyoche rabisiek chechang kosir chemokotin eng sipitalisiek. Kamwa PS nebo Public Health Mary Muthoni kole kiipchin kerkong'et sipitalisiek cheu choto konamgei ak ng'atutietab emoni.
The facilities that are co-charging and especially on services that are free or services that are already paid for by SHA must stop. And it is the high time that facilities displayed a charter of what they are offering in their institutions. I have seen patients sometimes go to a facility and the facility does not give information on what they are offering and what they are not offering. Sometimes you find a facility does not have lab services. Then they register the person and then they tell the person wewe enda ukapimwe hapo kwa hospitali nyingine. Members of the public have a right to know who is offering what. But some people have decided to be counter-charging on SHA services. SHA that are catered, services that are catered by SHA. That you go to the facility, probably vaccination is free. You find somebody in a facility is asking for 100 shillings. It is wrong. And that is what we are saying, that such facilities should be put on notice.
Ketesetai ko eng kasarta ne kokanapta serikali boriet nekitokyin kerichekab bokitet ak mayek eng emet. Kokanam police chebo Keiyo South chi nekikure Vincent Odhiambo eng oretab Eldama Ravine Nakuru Highway koloe kerichekab bokitet chenotin ko bangi. Kanam kora police karit KDV 627S nekoboisie chichoto koloe kerichechoto mwaat kele kiloisiek 286 ako tindoi aliet nebo silingisiek milionisiek 13. Kinyoru sirindenyo Andrew Kimeto asikoarorwech logoiwechuto eng koindo.
Kakonam police eng Kamosor Elgeyo Marakwet County kerichekab bokitet chenat ko bangi kiloinik 286 chebo aliet silingisiek milion 13 chekokiloe kong'ete county nebo Busia ako kokitokchini taonitab Nairobi. Kang'ong County Commissioner nebo County nebo Elgeyo Marakwet David Kosgei kole konam police karit nenat ko field yekongonyor logoiwek ofisaek kotinygei ak loisetab kerichechoto bo bokitet eng koskoleng'utab betutab amut.
The team from Keiyo South, led by the sub-county police commander, the OCS, and the whole entire sub-county security team organized themselves and laid a roadblock next to Metkei, where we are, and equally to the information that they received, they intercepted a vehicle that was coming from the Eldoret route and Metkei heading towards Eldama Ravine. The vehicle is KDV 627S. This vehicle, when it was stopped, the police officers who intercepted this vehicle found out it was carrying drugs in the form of bangi or cannabis sativa, and the consignment itself was huge enough. About 7 bags of cannabis sativa that the vehicle was carrying.
Kates komwa ofisayanoto bo serikali kole yekongotiem ofisaekab police kotonon karinata kokonyor kerichechoto bo bangi ako kokinam Vincent Odhiambo nebo kenyisiek 33 kokete karinata.
Immediately the person was put into our cells, that is with us. The owner of the vehicle who was driving this vehicle is called The name is called Vincent Odhiambo. He's a 33 years old Kenyan. When he was interrogated by the officers, the gentleman, the person himself, said that this consignment was coming from Busia, and he was taking them to Nairobi.
Karirtae Commissioner oranato bo Eldoret Ravin Nakuru Highway ko oret nekiboisie mising kipilelutinik koloe kerichek choto mayonotin ak tuguk alak chebo bokitet.
This Eldam Maravin Metkei Eldoret route is a route that has been very porous, and the traffickers have been using it. And not only these traffickers of drugs alone, other consignment, even human trafficking. So I, as a county commissioner, want to sound a very loud warning, because the systems that we have put in the ground with the entire team, the county security committee and the sub-county security committee along this route is very tight. Any other person thinking to pass through this route is at their own peril.
Kabinito eng kasarta netesetai serikali ak boriet nekitokchini boisietab kerichekab bokitet ak mayek chemayonotin eng emet komugul. Kongete county nebo Elgeyo Marakwet, logoiwekab emet chebo Kass, kainenyu ko Andrew Kimeto.
Ketesetai ak logoiwek ko takochang kipsomaninik chetomo kochut grade 10 akoi nguni eng sukulisiek che kokikurchi kosubkei ak rerunetab school fees ak tuguk alak chotok chemokotin. Agenge eng kipsomaninik chotok ko Dorcas Cherotich kobun kokwetab Kimindilil eng Chebalungu nekokikurchi sukulitab Kaboson Girls netomo kochut sukul kosubkei ak nematindoi kamugetab kolipan school fees ole some ine toretet asikomuch kotestai ak somanenywa. Karutochi kokwonoto sirindenyo Festus Rono akoibwech report neisubi.
Ngalalet neo en nguni ko kipsomaninik chechute grade 10 ole wikit agenge nguni kongeten ngotoi grade 10 koba sukulisiek chekikikurchi. Kobaten akoi nguni ko chang kipsomaninik chetom koba sukulisiek kwak kosubkei ak kaimutik cheterter mising ko chebo rarunetab rabisiekab sukul. En kokwetab Kimindilil en Chebalungu kotinye rirek Dorcas Cherotich, kipsomaniat nebunu familia nemaimuchigei ak kondoi en sukulitab Sekemik Comprehensive School.
Kainutik kekurenon Dorcas Cherotich, kwatare JSS en Sekemik Junior. Mamang'u ot ale atore. Toreton any kabisa mwalimu kinowe ne ochute grade 7 abatur noli motosik yonyu nyokoturu any mbotab kokwet. Kebe tugul any bakong'ololchi teacher ak kiasoman iman okwatar en Sekemik, okwa position 1 en Sekemik, okwa akilgei ak kitoreton Jehova. Kokikuron en Kaboson Girls.
Samuel Mibei ko boyab kok nebo kokwonoton bo Kimindilil.
Lakwani ko kibakach sigindet koming'in kabisa en koi akwo amakinoe silimi kakile ang'ata ko kiwo koming'in lakwani ketoret biikab kokwet kesomchi sukul ko koit yumiten ko kakimoche toretet
amun kokosir lakwani en sukul kosomoni lakwani sukul Sekemik ako kotoreti kokwet kikimeto lakwani koming'in ako yobu poor family so lakwani ko kokitoreti kora en kokwoni kwo sukul. So kongosir lakwani ko kokibwote kora kele bwone kandoik tugul keng'eten MCA, keng'eten MP nebo Chebalungu, keng'eten governor, senator ak bichon tugul chon miten ng'echerok. Ko kokibwote kele kongosir lakwani ko bwone kandoichu konyokotoret lakwani.
Kasom ichek kandoik kokochi toretet kipsomaniat noton.
Kikose takitoret lakwani amu lakwani ko lakwet nekokandoe sukul. Kokandoe sukul Sekemik kabisa. Ki kasarta nekingochut lakwani grade 6 grade 7 ko kokayom en grade 6 ko kiui kasit kabisa. Kikiyai chuchini kabisa kokwet kecheng ot ngoroik kecheng ot ngoroik nekotinye chi.
Kimoe kemwa kele kimoe mandasi ine konyon komut lakwani. Moyoche kotebi lakwani amun kosir Kosir Cherot.
En kokwetab Sakaldit en Sotik komoityi kwo sukul kipsomaniat Stacy Cheptoo nekotetat kochut sukulitab Lona Girls kobaten maimugak ak some toretet ak ichek.
Atononjini aribe kwabatien. O lakwet nguno nemi ireu komoe toretet neo. Toreton chi tugul en riretab Jehova. Mamiten kit age nomwoe koityo amoe toretet inegen kosome lagok kou chebo biik. Ko kasome kou nonito.
Tet kokiro Lona Girls amiose. Mokinigei toretet sikobit acheng'en sukul.
Kobet ele kenome kebwan kenyekesom tugul toretet nebunu chi tugul netindo toretet kotoret lakwani asikonyor dreams chechik chebo somanet.
Kong'eten county nebo Bomet, logoiwekab emet chebo Kass, kainenyun ko Festus Rono.
Ketesetai ak logoiwek ko kakomwa MP nebo Emurua Dikir Joanna Ng'eno kole makat eng kipsomaninik tugul che konyor makisiek chebo university kochut TVETs akoyai kosisiek chebo diploma, certificates ak artisan amu makat boisionik cheyoe ichek en colleges choto eng kasarata kabibochi koitet nemite barak nebo kipsomaninik chetesetai komwoe kole chang lagok chemabendi university ako makat koboisie ichek colleges cheboto TTIs, KMTC ak Youth Polytechnics asikomuch konyor kelchin eng betusiek chebwone. Kayamis sigikab Emurua Dikir MP noto kole nyoru bursaries chebo kipsomaninik chotok chebo senior schools, colleges ak universities kongetegei wikini nyone.
Very excited in performance, especially one log you from full last year whose results could you celebrate in Yama. Both Chigi local schools Chigi and external schools who reward any tool agi motivation konai kole kitinye somanet emuguleldo okikoini full support log tugul cheka inemye. Currently elemiten boisionik nguni ko TVETs of KMTC. So again, encouraging log tugul chebo C minus and C and C minus koba colleges chebo TVETs ak nini. Chebo D plus kimoe kora koba TVETs. Among TVETs where you can study so many courses chebo plumbing, chebo electricals, chebo masonry. Kasisiek chekororon chetesetai nguni teksosiek en lagok chekojoine kora secondary especially chekomoe keselebrate na komakinyoru opportunity kojoin national schools. We have always been encouraging students, so pupils chemi standard 8 na grade 9 kelenji kokilgei sikonyor nafasi koba national schools. Reason sikemach national schools konga fully equipped kikesib kechop equipment and all the facilities cheyoe lakwet kosir komie. This is an opportunity where we expose a large job to well-wishers and sponsors who can assist us ketoret kelipanin ngalekab fees chebo lagochuto. But generally ko tam ketindoi kora program nebo bursaries nekiliponjini lagok chemite secondary and university and colleges, and that program ko kitam kikipangan because we had a joint agreement of county ko kitam ko county ko koito in December, and then kinyo probably in June and September because kikimache kikone county tam kikone over 50 million ko kikakindage over 45 million. So what exactly happened this year ko kochelewan chebo county because kikaba maybe kikiba kotini was stopping kole manyolu kofanden counties in bursaries.
Ak yekitestai ak logoiwek ko eng kasarta netesetai koriku lewenisiet nebo kenyitab 2027 letetat kwa barak matab bolotet kokakesom meng'ikab county nebo Uasin Gishu kele kotestai komeng'is eng kalyet ako istoegei kit age tugul neimuch koib weketab kalyet. Kama ofisaek cheechen chebo ripsetab kalyet eng Uasin Gishu kondochin komanda nebo police eng county noto Benjamin Mwanthi kole mamitei chi nekechomchin kokon ng'alalutik chebo suryet ak bororyondit ako noto kochobotin ribikab kalyet koibchi kakwautik chekimen chi age tugul neweche kalyet eng county noto bo Uasin Gishu. Kinyoru logoiwechutok ak sirindenyo Timothy Kiplimo.
Kong'ololjin sirikab logoiwek en igorta nekayum afisaekab police koboto biikab boror en ketesietab police nebo Central nemiten kanasetab Eldoret, komwa police commander en county nito Benjamin Mwanthi kole kiketestai kibaorionjin kalyet en kanasetab Eldoret ak county nebo Uasin Gishu komugul, kini kamwa kole mabendi koyani ichek kobit yautik alak tugul cheiwekyin let kakwautik chekikeba en kakimitetab kalyet en kebeberitan mising en kasarta nekitokyingei polatet en emet.
Nionye pia wale watataka kuingilia na kusema kuleta utovu wa usalama ya kwamba ofisa sasa watakuwa macho zaidi kuliko vile ilikuwa last year, watakuwa wakali zaidi kuliko vile walikuwa last year, kuhakikisha going forward Uasin Gishu na inchi imetulia, kwa sababu pia tunaelekea wakati ya siasa. Tumekuwa na incidences ya vijana kutaka kukusanyika na kufanya vitu kadha wakala. Tunataka kusema ya kwamba haitakubalika Uasin Gishu, hatutakuwa na goons na tu expect kuwa na goons, na wale watajitokeza itabidi tudili na wao mmoja kwa mmoja. Hatutachukua vikundi ati kusema huyu ni wa mtu fulani, hii ni watu fulani. Mvunja sheria ni mvunja sheria, hana jina.
Kama Mwanthi kole tuyonoto kayum afisaekab police koboto biikab boror kobo kamanut en kakimitetab kibagenge ak kachomyet en kwenutab meng'ik ak afisaekab police, ole kamwa kole bendi koboisie en kibagenge afisaekab police koboto biikab boror en kakimitetab kalyet en county nitok.
So nataka kuhakikisha watu ya Uasin Gishu ya kwamba tuko na amani na tutaendelea kuwa na amani, tutawalinda nao pia watusaidie kutupea information. Na wakati nafikiri tunajua ulimwengu mzima tumechange policy ya policing, tuna police by consent. Nataka ku police members of public by consent, tushikane nao na tuweze kusaidia nao.
En komostanyi komach county commissioner nebo Uasin Gishu Edison Nyale biikab boror koek kiptainik chebo amdaetab kalyet akot en kasarta netesetai kolonye matab polatet en emet. Kini kamwa kole mamito amune asikosich chi age tugul kayweisiet amu wendi kotesetai kotuneni kalyet.
Sisi ni mji ambao umefungua wazi kwa wegezaji hata wenyeji kutoka maeneo mbalimbali, lakini sisi tayari vile ambavyo tunaona ni kwamba tayari tuko na amani. Jukumu letu kubwa ni kupalilia amani, cultivating the culture of peace. Hiyo ndio itakuwa mwito wetu mkuu katika muhula ama muda huu ambao tunaelekea.
Kong'eten kanaset nebo Eldoret en county nebo Uasin Gishu, logoiwekab emet chebo Kass TV, kanenyu ko Timothy Kiplimo.
Yetesetai ko kakomongei alake eng meng'ik kobun Nakuru West eng county nebo Nakuru akosom kibagengeit nebo kachomietab biik nebo National Cohesion and Integration Commission NCIC koipchi kakwautik MP nebo Nakuru West Samuel Arama kotinygei ng'alalet notok kikon ine konekit nekitoi kotinyegei ak bororiondit. Kosubkei ak meng'ichotok komuchi koib suriet ng'alalutik kounotok konyolu eng NCIC ale koipchi kakwautik chebo kerkong'et Arama amu manyolu ketesyi bolotet somanet ak boisionik alak chebo bandab tai. Kinyoru karoretab koindab logoiwechutok ak sirindenyo Sylvester Rono.
Ng'alalet nekikon MP nebo Nakuru West en Nakuru Samuel Arama kotokyin sigindet agenge nekisome kisib lakwenyin nebo grade 10 kong'eten county nebo Baringo agoi sukulishek chemiten Nakuru West. En walutiet nekikochi sigindonoton komaibaibai chong'indab biik mising ko biikab bororietab Kalenjin chemenye Nakuru.
Omba tu kwa sababu nitashindwa na huko boarding nibadilishiwe nipate na kelelwe tuko.
I wish strategy wangekuwa wananipigia kura vile wananiletea mashida.
Lakini sio wote.
Watu wakati ya kura wanasema Arama ni mkisi. Wakati ya usaidizi mnakuja hapa nataka kusaidia. Na wewe kama unajua ungekuwa wewe kama ungekuwa mtu mwerevu ungekuja hapa.
Kosubkei ak noton kokoimongei alak en meng'ik kobun Kapkures ak Barut en Nakuru West akosom kibagengeit netelelchin kachomyet nebo NCIC kochigil akoipchi kakwautik MP noton bo Nakuru West.
Ako kimache kekur commission nebo cohesion NCIC sikochutyi ng'alechu kwa sababu ingomwa kiongozi
Yetesetai kokanyor boroindo meng'ikab Iten eng county nebo Elgeyo Marakwet ak MCAs chebo county noto koker bortab MCA nebo Endo Ward Jeremiah Biwott Toriebe amait kekonor bortanyi eng betutab mutai kwaeng kasi eng mbarenyi nemite Endo eng Kerio Valley. Kakiker bortab MCA noto eng County Assembly nemite taonitab Iten ole kakibwat kandoindonoto ko chi nekichome kalyet ak bandab tai nekitoret eng kawekunetab kalyet eng Kerio Valley ako noto koek birutiet neo mising meenyi. Ikinyoru sirindenyo Andrew Kimeto ak koindab logoiwechuto.
Kaek rirek chemite barak eng county nebo Elgeyo Marakwet yikangeitita bortab MCA nebo Endo Ward Jeremiah Toriebe nekibet sobenyi eng wikit nekosirtoi ikingomian eng kasarta negoi. Katach bortab MCA noto speaker nebo County Assembly Lawi Kibire koboto governor Waisili Rotich ole kamwa speaker kole eng kenyisiek aeng chekimite Toriebe koyoto bo bunge kokimaboibochi kandoinatenyi kosubkei ak yautikab bochetab kalyet chekibitu atkai tugul eng wadi noto ba Endo eng kenyisiek chotok aeng kokosirto.
Every day, every week tumezika mtu, tunakuja tukifika Biretwa watu mwingine ameuliwa. So I imagine that these last 2 years Mheshimiwa Toriebe kwa sababu ile amani imekuja kule Kerio Valley angeweza kufurahia kuongoza watu yake pale. Kidogo wakati mambo ya Father Alois imekuja, tukakuja mambo ya insecurity kuisha. Again, when Mheshimiwa was sick, tunapata mambo ya landslides. So hata wakati tunaomba, tuombe kifo ya Mheshimiwa iweze kuleta amani ya kudumu kule, maafa mengine yasifanyike kule Kerio Valley na kwa kaunti yetu mzima.
Sasa amani imerudi na Mheshimiwa akatuacha. Ni huzuni kubwa sana kwa sisi watu ya Endo Ward. Mubanie nyote goto kaira kazi Jeremiah kwa utulivu, aweze kupumzika, afanyie hata watoto yake kazi. Nganyera ne chamani kusut Mungu Jeremiah makingati yake kicha makosa ne.
Kaikimit komwa Governor Rotich kole kandino neimuchi kekochi memba noto ko nebo komeng'is eng kalyet meng'ikab Kerio Valley amu noto kityo kit nebo kamanut nekimakchini memba noto meng'ikab komosata.
We still wanted Mheshimiwa to enjoy his service as an MCA kwa sababu hakuenjoy. Yeye ni kama mimi 2022, 2023, 2024, early 2025. Sisi kazi yetu ilikuwa tu mazishi na kukalculate pesa ya mazishi na kusaidia na kukalculate ng'ombe imeibiwa hii kani imerudi. Mheshimiwa alikuwa amekuwa kama speed dial kwa simu yangu kuinform mimi only bad news. Karibu nilikuwa nimeogopa masimu ya Mheshimiwa kwa sababu yeye na Paris alikuwa karibu amekuwa bad news bearers kwangu. Kwa sababu anasema governor sasa utafanya namna gani? So in the respect of Mheshimiwa, let us dumisha amani, let us dumisha hii maneno ya bangi. Hata yeye alifight hii maneno ya bangi sana. Hii maneno ya bangi na pia tupendane, tushikane mkono. Kwa maneno ya family, I think speaker ameongelea, tutaendelea kushikana mkono.
Akot kunoto ko kailas kandoik alake kandoindonoto komwa kole koek birutiet neo eng koyoto bo bunge ak meng'ikab Kerio Valley komugul.
Kifo si kitu nzuri, hakuna mtu anafurahia kifo. So nataka tu kusema pole sana kwa familia. I think mumejionea vile mnampenda ni vile rasi tunampenda. Vile mnalia ni vile pia sisi kama assembly na kama Elgeyo Marakwet ndivyo tunalia. Lakini Mungu ako na sababu kwa kila jambo. Biblia inatuambia kila jambo hutendeka kwa wema. Wacha tuulize Mungu ni wema gani itatokezea kwa kulala kwake Toriebe. Sababu I know alikuwa ni mtu wa Mungu. There is something good that will come out of it. So we are waiting to see what is good that will come out of it.
Lakini daktari walipambana walipambana sana, lakini kwa haya yote Mungu akampenda sana. Kwa hivyo nataka niseme jamani kwamba tumtegemee Mungu, na najua kwamba mlango yake imefungwa na naamini kwa uwezo wa Mungu kweli mlango zingine zitafunguliwa. Ni hivyo tu nataka niseme Mungu na wabariki. Sina mengi, sina.
Kongete county nebo Elgeyo Marakwet, logoiwekab emet chebo Kass, kainenyu ko Andrew Kimeto.
Kotagemi Elgeyo Marakwet kokaindochi gavana nebo Elgeyo Marakwet Wesley Rotich roptaetab pikipikisiek 25 koityi amdoik cheboto bishops ak pastaek chetoreti icheket eng amdaetab sirutik chetililen koboto kalyet eng komasta nebo Kerio Valley. Pikipikisiek chotok ko konu President William Ruto kou eng sometab nekikon kandoik chotok bo kanisa eng tuyet nebo kawektaetab kongoi ak taksetab kenyit nelel nekikiyai eng tarik 4 arawanito eng komasta nebo Chesambur eng West Pokot County. Komitei ikorata County Commissioner nebo Elgeyo Marakwet David Kosgei, Bishop Aaron Kwambai nebo kanisetab Outreach Revival Ministries ak Bishop David Kipsoi nebo AIC koboto amdoik alak. Ole kamwa Governor Rotich kole tindoi kayanet kole bitu kalyet nebo kipchulyo eng komasta noto bo Kerio Valley.
Asikousishi kiboitinikab kanisa koamda logoiwekab kalyet eng kebeberta nebo Kerio Valley kokatach amdoi kobun komosata bo Kerio Valley pikipisiek 25 chekikochi icheket president nebo emoni Dr. William Ruto asikotoret amdoi choto eng chengetab kalyet eng komoswek choto. Kondochini eng roptaetab pikipiki choto komwa gavana nebo county nebo Elgeyo Marakwet Wesley Rotich kole eng kaimutik chebo wechetab kalyet chekibitu eng kenyisiek chikosirto kokimanyumnyum eng kandoikab kanisa koityi kebeberwek choto asikotoret eng kirindaetab yautik choto amu kaimutikab loiset chekitindoi icheket eng betusiek choto.
Najua tukienda peace meeting Bishop, wewe unakumbuka tukienda peace meetings, watu walikuwa wanasema sisi kama peace committee tungepata uwezo tu ya kukimbia haraka na kurudi haraka. So nao hiyo maneno mimi sasa kusikia kwa baraza ile nakuja next. Nyinyi mko naye kama unaenda na kuna mzee unataka kupeleka mzee amani ama mzee anajua kusuluhisha maneno weke kwa pikipiki kama nakimbia kama vile mnasema tunakimbia na kurudi mara moja. That's one will be. Mkisikia kuna clan simenataka kutoka kidogo kabla haijaenda out of van, nyinyi mnaenda kuambia popo hii shamba tuweze peleka mahali. Hii ni shamba tuongee tu. These things hata wanafunzi kama Bishop wamesema wakiona nyinyi mkiingia kwa gate na uniform hata the ring leader anajiuliza sasa hii watu na unaombea hawa kabisa, unaambia Mungu hii mawazo mbaya itoke kwa hii watoto. Hata ule alikuwa amepanga kuchoma petrol anaenda kumwaga petrol kwa choo.
Kailos gavana kakwautik chekindeno serikali eng komosata bo Kerio Valley asikekerana kaimutyonoto bo wechetab kalyet eng komosata nikiakoek kanakut mising.
We want to say we appreciate the president. Ameweka all fronts, ametumia military solution, amicable solution na religious solution. Ameweka yote ili tupate amani ya kudumu. Na amani ya kudumu ile Bishop Kipsoi anasema na Bishop Aaron ya kwamba amani ya kudumu lazima ikuwe kwa kichwa na kwa roho na wapi. Hiyo ulikuwa umesema lazima ubadilishe akili ya mtu na kubadilisha roho yake ili akae milele. So hata juzi tumenyang'anya tu mtu bunduki na labda hatujabadilisha mawazo yake na hatujabadilisha. So anaweza shika hata panga. Ukishatoa bunduki anaweza shika panga na ukata mtu. So lazima ubadilishe mawazo ndio akuwe mtu wa maana.
Kaikimit County Commissioner nebo komosata David Kosgei kole kandoikab kanisa kobo kamanut eng chengetab kalyet nenoto kowendi koboisie serikali kandoichoto atkai tugul eng chengetab kalyet.
Tutapanga also very soon, Your Excellency, with your blessings, tuite watu wa kanisa wote, the bishop, the leadership. Sometimes we need prayer, you and me. Na tunahitaji hawa tuketi tukue na ruwaza mwongozo wetu wa kuleta amani katika sehemu yetu ya Elgeyo Marakwet. So thank you so much. Mungu apee nyinyi hekima, amani, mwaka nzuri na tuweke amani katika mahali tulipo. Watu wanapigana kwa maboma zao. Tuko na shida mingi kwa mashamba ya clans. Besides amani, mtusaidie pia kuleta watu wa kitu kimoja.
Kongete county nebo Elgeyo Marakwet, logoiwekab emet chebo Kass, kainenyu ko Andrew Kimeto.
Akanyor konunataik biik 12 koboto grupit nebo kwonyikab bodaboda kobun kampunitab Mogo eng campaign nekotesetai nekotokchingei kokanapta sobetab chemung'arainik choto mising ko eng kasarta nekatoigei kenyit kokebata igorwek chekochang eng arawet konye.
What inspired the Mogo campaign in December 2025 was Mogo's intentional strategy to engage communities, and we started this with financial literacy forums, and as a result, as we were engaging communities, we also got to pick a few of the challenges that our communities face, and we made a decision to run an online campaign inviting our online community to share with us their reflections for the year that was ending, share with us their challenges and their wins, and also what perhaps would make their 2026 better. Overall, we received more than 100 entries from online community, which is remarkable for us considering this as the first campaign of the kind. Categories of the needs that we received were 80% being on education, school fees and all, and 20% rather was on boosting business. We ensured that the money genuinely got to the right people by going to the ground, meeting them, and indeed confirming that the stories were credible and true. We also made sure that the funds were being transferred to school in case of school fees payment, and also to the shops if we were buying an equipment like a camera. So we have been very strategic about engaging our community both online and offline. We expanded our branch network to 88 branches by the end of year 2025, and this gave us an opportunity and access to launch our financial literacy program with chairmen and boda riders. With this, we do believe that we will empower our customers to be financially empowered to make proper decisions, even as they are considering loan services and savings alike. Looking ahead in 2026, we expect to see more programs of financial literacy across the country with our partners like Kind General and Bajaj. We will also have other initiatives similar to Dear Mogo, but packaged differently. And of course, to ensure that our products and services are reachable and accessible to our customers across the country.
Ako yuto chitab Kalenjin kokakeit let nebo kayumetab logoiwekab emet ngorititab tetutieng'ung nebo tililindo. Kainenyu ko Chesankar Osirma ak kabarastaindet nekakimite tuwai eng oretab kabarunet ko Naomi Cherotich ak director nenyu eng kebeberta noton studio nebo kebeberta nebo aeng ko Caroline Leting. Kotestai ikere Kass TV, kimnatet naet.
Revisha ushinde! Open and save in your KCB Gold Savings account for a chance to win many prizes. KCB, for people, for better.